discussing in the last lecture that the K-map rules are for that for soft form we have seen, and the same rules can be applicable for fast form also. Whatever the corresponding changes are there, like the uncomplemented variable is considered as 0, and the complemented variable is considered as 1, and the individual term is in summation form. So that rule you have to consider, and the same rules can be applicable for your fast form also. So again, I will revise those 5 rules. First rule is combination of single cell only. If any cell is not adjacent with other cell, so you have to consider that cell grouping as a single cell or grouping of single cell only. So for that, no reduction will be there in variables, number of variables. Suppose if you are there in 2 variable, so the answer is 2 variable. If you are there in 3 variable K-map, answer is 3 variable. If you are if you are solving 4 variable K-map, answer is 4 variables for that. Okay, then suppose if you are going for a grouping of 2 cells, so in that case there will be reduction of single variable. Yes, if you are solving 2 variable K-map, so you will get answer as a single variable. If you are solving 3 variable, answer as a 2 variable, and for 4 variable K-map, answer is 3 variable. If you are going for chord, so chord is not possible in 2 variable K-map, because if chord is there, so that is another rule. All cells are present or absent, so you will have the answer equal to 1 or 0 directly. But chord is possible in 3 variable K-map as a maximum, you can say, grouping. So for a chord, 2 variables will reduce, then the answer will be single variable only. And if you are taking a chord in a 4 variable K-map, the answer is 2 variable, because 2 variables are reduced. Okay, and the last rule is what? The grouping of 8 adjacent cells, that is octet. So octet is not possible for your 2 variable as well as 3 variable K-map, because in case of 3 variable K-map, maximum cells are 8. So the last rule will be applicable there. Either all cells are present or absent. The answer is either 1 or 0. If you are solving soft form, answer is 1. If you are solving fast form, answer is 0. Okay, means that too for one entry, answer 1. For all 0 entries, answer is 0. Okay, and then octet is possible only in 4 variable K-map. So after octet, the answer will be single variable only, because for octet 2 raised to power 3 is equal to 8. So whatever the raised to power is there, so that will be you can say the reduction of variables. So suppose if I am taking 2 raised to power n is equal to 8, so 2 raised to power 3 is equal to 8. Such a n I can consider as a number of variables reduced. So in case of 4 variable K-map, if I am going for octet, so I am reducing 3 variable. So my answer will be only single variable. So this is regarding
जैसे
the all
slides
rules.
change नहीं हो रहे.
Yes, no, no, I have not changed the slide. Okay,
अच्छा.
just I am revising the portion what I have portion covered in the last lecture. So
Okay,
is there
sir.
any doubt to anybody for these 5 rules?
Sir,
Yes.
can you take on that four variable slide?
Yeah, yeah. I'm just taking that examples one by one later on. But related with this rule, is there any problem?
No, sir. Just yesterday you had taken one example on four variable. Na? I didn't understand its grouping. So can you explain that?
I think miss we had completed this one.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
That b dash d dash. How that b dash d
Okay.
dash?
So period, I will tell you. So you can just see while solving 4 variable K map, what you have to do. You have to start with octet first, because in your books they have told that you should start with grouping of single cell, then 2 cells, then 4 cells, and then 8 cells. But for a optimum grouping, if I'm going in that fashion, no, so my problem will get wrong. So you should follow this reverse process. Start with grouping of 8 first, as maximum as possible. Why? Because whenever you are taking the grouping of 8 cells, no, so you are reducing 3 variables indirectly. So my answer will be in a reduced form. That's why I have to go for the octet as maximum as possible, but that too again in optimum way. What is the meaning of optimum way there? Within a minimum grouping, all cells should cover, all cells should group. So that is my approach for optimum grouping. Means within a minimum grouping, all cells should cover. So that agenda I should have. Now in this example, so whenever this example is for soft form, because summation of m is there, so summation of m indicates soft. So what we have done, so these are called as min terms available in this example, and example is available, or the variables in these examples are a, b, c, d, where a is msb, d is lsb. That's why ये यहाँ पे ऐसा एरो ये दिखा नहीं है हमने लाइन, ऊपर में ए भी रहेगा और नीचे के साइड में सी डी रहेगा. Then you can note down the cell numbers 1, 0, 1, 3, 2, then 4, 5, 7, 6, then 12, 13, 15, 14, and then 8, 9, 11, 10. Okay, so what you have drawn earlier, so that you can have, and you can enter these min terms with 0 represented with this, that 0 is there. So for all these min terms you have to enter 1 in the k. So you have to only enter 1 for min terms, and this 0, this if you are writing it's okay, but if you are writing that again you will create a confusion. But in this you have to just make sure that how many min terms are there, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 11 entries for each min terms in respect to cell number is there or not as a one entry, that you have to check. So 1 is there, 0 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there. So then this is 3, this is 2. Okay. Then after that 4, 5, 6, 7. 4, 5, 7, 6. So 5 is there, 7 is there, 6 is there. Then next is 12. 12 is not available as a min term. 13 is also not available, but 15 and 14 are available. So that 2 entries are available here. And then lastly 8, 9, 11 and 10. So 10, 11 are there, and 8 is also there. So that entries are available. So after counting that, 11 is matched with 11. Or in some problem, there are 11 entries and some students may enter only 10 entries. So if you are entering 10 entries and if your answer is correct for those 10 entries, still you will get 0 marks. So that's why in the first step itself, whatever the problem is given, because normally the problem is given in this fashion in your exam. So for that, you should keep in mind that this problem should be correctly enter in the KMAP. So before that, you have to draw the KMAP correctly. So for variable KMAP, you have to note that this A and B should be taken at upper side, C and D is taken at the lower side. You must understand that the first letter is always MSB, the last variable is always LSB, because whenever you are drawing that truth table, so you will take A, B, C, D. So A is the MSB column there, so that you should also consider. Then A and B should be at upper side, C and D should be at lower side. So that's why this format is there, 0, 1, 3, 2. Or suppose if you are taking CD upper side, AB at lower side, so again your problem will convert into some different law. So for that you have to draw the different KMAP, so where the cell numbers are different. So in most of the books they have given such type of format, those format we are referring. So always consider AB at MSB side, upper side, and the lower digits are lower variables at lower side. So एक कोई भी आप फॉर्मेट रेफर करो, मतलब दोनों आपको पता रहना चाहिए कि हाउ द सेल नंबर्स आर चेंजेस. इफ सपोज आई एम टेकिंग CD or that not CD, you will take BC then BA. So in that fashion you convert that LSB to MSB, MSB to LSB, so the entire cell numbers will get changed. Okay, so after entering this value, so we should consider these these two types of KMAP in your mind. Okay, so no other possibilities are there. So please follow the sequence, please follow the rules. The MSB, and which one is LSB? So A is always MSB here, D is always LSB. A MSB, D LSB. And then whatever the you can say numericals are available inside the bracket, those numericals are called as min term here. Whenever summation of small m is there, and whenever pi into capital M is there, so the inside the bracket, the terms are called as max terms. So for that you have to enter 0 in the KMAP. So that's why whenever you are taking this value, whenever you are taking this, you can say entry in a KMAP. So whenever summation of m, you have to always enter 1, and whenever pi into m is there, so you have to enter 0. So that's why whatever the min terms are available, you have consider 1, and those are not available, those are max terms. So that's why you have enter 0. Okay.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, can you please explain that sequence rule again?
So which one? This one? A, B, C,
Yes,
D?
sir, the sequence. Yes, sir, that series and sequence one.
Okay. So here means whenever the problem is specified with the help of variables like function of a, b, c, d. So while solving or while drawing the K-map, be sure that you have to go for A, B, C, D only. Suppose if you are writing there P, Q, R, S instead of this A, B, C, D, so still the examiner may give you 0 marks because you have not followed the whatever the variables are given in this problem. Okay. Now here A, B, C, D. So for this A, B, C, D, A is always MSB. First letter is always MSB that you should consider. While because see the function of a, b, c, d. So where in these four you can say variables, a is msb and d is lsb, because whenever you are drawing the truth table na, so you will take first column as a input as a, then b, then c and d, and you will take the corresponding the maximum possible combination of those four inputs, that is 0 0 0 to 1 1 1 1. So that's why as you are writing A in the first column, so that's why A is MSB and D is LSB. Are you getting this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And now while drawing the K map, so you will take one line here, and that at upper side you will write AB, and at lower side you will write CD, and then you will note down the 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0. So here also in the lower side you should also write down here 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 1 0. Gray code format. Okay, and then while writing the same numbers, you will follow the binary to decimal equivalent rules. So 0 1 3 2 as a same number. So second column is 4 5 7 and 6, then 12 30 15 and 14, and then lastly 8 9 11 and 10. I think this we have already seen in the first lecture when we have started the K-map. So is there any problem now while drawing the K-map?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Just explain once that grouping B parity.
Yeah, sir. I will tell you that. I'm just going one by one. Now, what is the next part? After drawing your K-map, you have to enter the min terms entry. So now here 11 min terms are there. Why min terms? Because the format is given in summation of m. Summation stands for soft form, canonical soft, and the small m stands for min term. So all min terms are there, and min term is nothing but a present term. So you should enter for every min term one entry in K-map in a corresponding cell number. So 0 is represented with cell number 0. 2 min term is represented with cell number 2. 3 min term is represented with cell number 3, upper one, this one, and then this is 2. So you have to enter those one entries according to whatever the min terms are there. So in with respect to that those min terms, you have to enter those values in the corresponding cell numbers. Okay. Now after entering that value, just make sure that you have entered the all values and that will be correct manner. तो इसमें आप एक भी अगर गलती करते हो तो डायरेक्टली दैट फॉर्मेट विल कन्वर्ट इनटू जीरो. नो स्टेप मार्किंग. Though you are entering whatever the values, and though your answer is correct with the help of those values, but still you will get zero because you have not followed the problem. Okay. So later on, once the everything is okay, now you will go with the grouping. Now whenever I am solving 4 variable K-map, I will go with octet first. So you can just see all 8, this row and this row is having all the values, so this can be combined as a octet. So after that combinations, just make sure that how many ones are there. 8 के बाद सिर्फ 3 1 बाकी. Now this one and this one, so 4 corner cells can be grouped as a quad that we have seen. So don't go for single ones. Now you may think that this is a pair, pair is also possible, pair, pair, but after octet, try to go for quad with all maximum possible combinations, that will optimum way. तो यहाँ पे आपको ये वन ए वन और नीचे का वन और नीचे का वन, so that one you have to consider as a quad. So after that only this single one is there. So you should also not consider this as a grouping of single cell. So this one can be combined with this as a adjacent cells. So that's why you should take one pair. Means for this 11 ones, you can go for one octet, one pair and one quad. So you have to get the answer for this. तो आप इसको ड्रॉ कर लीजिए आपके के मैप में, एंड देन यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द आंसर. तो उसमें जैसे आप हॉरिजॉन्टल ऑक्टेट लेते हो तो यू विल गेट, यू हैव टू सर्च फॉर ओनली सिंगल वेरिएबल एज अ फिक्स वेरिएबल, तो आपको ये यहाँ पे मिलेगा दोनों में से, क्योंकि ये सब चेंजिंग है, क्योंकि मुझे आठों वैल्यू के लिए, आठों मिन टर्म्स के लिए फिक्स वेरिएबल चाहिए। यहाँ पे 0 0 है, 0 1 है, 1 1 है, 1 0 है, so all are changing, so you should not consider for A and B, so your answer will be there from C and D. तो ये जब करोगे आप, तो आपका जो भी आंसर है, यहाँ पे 1 1 है, यहाँ पे 1 0 है, so your answer is, ये आपका C लिखा है दिस फर्स्ट वन। तो जहाँ पे आप सिंगल वेरिएबल 4 वेरिएबल में है, तो यू हैव टू कंसीडर दैट इज द आंसर फॉर ऑक्टेट। ओके, क्वाड के लिए 2 वेरिएबल रहेगी, क्योंकि 2 वेरिएबल रेड्यूस होंगे, सो दिस इज द आंसर फॉर क्वाड। नाउ सी, ये कॉर्नर, ए कॉर्नर, ए कॉर्नर, ए कॉर्नर, ये दो यहाँ से और यहाँ से एक वेरिएबल मिलेगा आपको, और जो यहाँ से लास्ट वाला रो और ये फर्स्ट वाला रो, वहाँ से एक मिलेगा, तो 2 वेरिएबल मिलेगा आपको, बी बार और टी बार, क्योंकि यहाँ पे 0 0 है, यहाँ पे 1, ये आपका 1 0 है, तो लास्ट वाला आपको मिलेगा डी बार नीचे से, और अपर में यहाँ पे 0 0 है, यहाँ पे 0 सॉरी 1 0 है, तो पी मिलेगा, बी का वैल्यू 0 है, दैट्स वाई बी बार। गेटिंग दिस? एंड फॉर दिस, so you will have these two variable fixed, that is 0 1, that is a bar b, and from here that is 0 1 and 1 1, so d is constant and the value of d is 1, that's why d, so a bar b into d. Getting this?
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Any
Yes,
student,
sir.
if you have any doubt,
Yes.
please ask.
Yes, sir.
So इसमें से आपको पता रहना चाहिए कि सिंगल वेरिएबल है तो दैट इज द आंसर फॉर ऑक्टेट, 3 वेरिएबल है तो आंसर फॉर पेयर, एंड 2 वेरिएबल है तो आंसर फॉर क्वाड, और ऑल 4 वेरिएबल्स है तो दैट इज अ ग्रुपिंग ऑफ सिंगल सेल। तो आपको समझ में आया ना? वो जब मैं ऑक्टेट जाता हूँ तो 2⁻³ इज इक्वल टू 8, सो जो रेस्ट टू पावर है उतने वेरिएबल आपके कम होंगे। सो क्वाड मीन्स 2⁻² इज इक्वल टू 4, सो जो रेस्ट टू पावर है 2 वो वेरिएबल्स कम होंगे आपके, एंड 2⁻1 इज इक्वल टू 2, सो एक वेरिएबल कम होगा, एंड 2⁻0 इज इक्वल टू 1, so combination of single cell is nothing but 0, so 0 variable will reduce, that means all variables will present. Are you getting this concept? Hello students?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So please you note down this note, for amount of variables or number of variables reduced for the grouping. So you should start with 2⁻0, 2⁻1, 2⁻2, 2⁻3 is equal to 1, then 2, then 4 and 8. So 1 के लिए आप लिखोगे वहाँ पे grouping of single cell, okay, that is called as EPI, essential prime implicant, okay. दूसरा लिखोगे आप पेयर, जो ग्रुपिंग ऑफ 2 सेल्स है उसको आप पेयर बोलोगे, ग्रुपिंग ऑफ 4 सेल्स है उसको आप क्वाड बोलोगे, और ग्रुपिंग ऑफ 8 सेल्स है उसको आप ऑक्टेट बोलोगे। समझ में आए? जस्ट नोट डाउन दिस। Now this is very essential, very important point, but I am going very slow because I am interested to have the K-map concept in a very strong way, because this you will have to require for your entire life. So that's why K-map is a very essential tool for ENTC engineering. कभी भी आपको लग सकता है, so that's why Carnap map, Carnap is the name of scientist, he has developed that, that's why the name is given as a K-map. It's a graphical tool for any digital electronics engineering. Okay सबका? If you have completed that note, please write S in chat box, those who have finished. क्या क्या लिखना है आपको? 2⁻n is equal to you can say the grouping. So 2⁻0, 0 means no grouping. The answer is the 2⁻0 is 1. 1 means that stands for grouping of single cell. Then 2⁻n is equal to suppose 2. So 2⁻n and value of n is 1 there. So 2⁻1 is equal to 2. That is pair, grouping of 2 cells. then 2 raised to power 2 is equal to 4. So in that case, quad, grouping of 4 cells, quad. And 2 raised to power 3 is equal to 8, that is grouping of 8 cells, that is called as octet. OCTED, octet. Octet means 8, grouping of 8 cells. Quad, QUAD, quad means grouping of 4 cells. और उसमें लास्ट कॉलम आप लिखो हाउ मेनी वेरिएबल्स आर रेड्यूस. इन द फर्स्ट केस 0, इन द सेकंड केस 1, इन द नेक्स्ट केस 2, इन द थर्ड केस और लास्ट केस 3. तो आपको लिखना है कि सिर्फ ओनली द मैक्सिमम ग्रुपिंग पॉसिबल इन 2 वेरिएबल K-map इज अ पेयर and minimum is grouping of singles. So quad is not possible. For quad, you have to directly go for the final rule. That is, if all cells are present or absent, the answer is 1 or 0. 1 for soft terms, that is min terms, and 0 for pos terms. Okay. In case of 3 variable K-map, maximum grouping possible is the quad, pair, and then grouping of single cell. Octet is not possible. For octet, you have to consider the last rule, either 1 or 0 is the answer. And in case of 4 variable K-map, maximum grouping is octet, then quad, then pair, and then essential prime or grouping of singles. So you should start with maximum grouping first. If you are solving 2 variable K-map, try for pair first, then essential prime. If you are solving 3 variable K-map, try for quad first, then pair, then essential prime. These 3 possibilities are there. And in case of 4 variable K-map, octet, quad, pair, and essential prime. 4 possibilities may be there depending on how example is there. But always you should keep in mind, you have to go for optimum grouping, means within a minimum grouping, all cells should cover at least once. There may be possibility of any cell, that cell can be grouped more than once. Are you getting this? These are regarding the K-map rules. If these rules are clear to everybody, please write S in a chat box. Those who have understood this, please write S. Those who have not understood, please write no.
Sir,
Yes?
sir, we don't have permission to write in chat box.
Okay, so chat box is disabled.
Yes, sir.
Yes, so only you can
Okay,
messages.
so I think there is a problem with my settings, so I have to again check. So, okay, so you can just tell your name, and suppose if you have not understood this, you can just ask, tell your name. I will repeat again.
Sir, we can raise hand which who have got the concept.
Okay, so that also you can do. So please raise your hands, those who understood. Is there anybody those who are not understood? Because everybody has raised the hand. So I think Aman Sagar, Abhijit Rak, then Bhakre, Yash. They have not raised hand yet. Sutar, Dere Vedant, Gaikwad, Bhushali, Rutuja Raut. Rutuja Raut, can you please start your video? Sapna Chaudhary, please start your video. So out of 58, I think, because I am including there in that meeting, so total 59 persons are there in meeting. Out of that, 45 students have raised their hand. So remaining students have not raised their hand. That means they are not understood. So Sapna Chaudhary, please start your video. Now 46. Now see, means if you not understood, so don't directly raise the hand, because otherwise you may think that I will ask question to you. So that's why you will directly raise the hands. Now two hands are not raised yet. So I think now 46 to 44 is there. So those who are having the problem, Vaibhav Holkar has not raised the hand, Shetty, Ayush, then Shedke, Prathamesh, Sapna, Rutuja Raut, then Rathod Amol, Parekh, Mahajan Neeraj, Aditya, then Dere Vedant, Aman Sagar, Abhishek Bharat. So students, please tell me what is your problem. So which point you are not understood, I will again repeat that. So I request all the students, those who have not understood, they can start their video. Rutuja Raut, are you getting me? Are you getting my voice? Sapna Chaudhary?
Yes, sir.
Please answer and start your video. Rutuja Raut, please answer, start your video. Shreyash Parkhe, start your video. Yes. Yes, Sapna, tell me what point you have not understood. I will again repeat that. So before that, Rutuja, start your video. Shetty Ayush. Vaibhav Holkar. Soumya, whether these people are there or not in this meeting.
Who, sir?
Aman Sagar, they are not responding.
Sir, a
Aditya,
network issue. Your voice is not clear.
my voice is not clear.
Sir, network issue is some.
Soumya, are you getting my voice very clearly?
Sir, the one who responded right now is Aman Sagar only. He's in meeting.
Okay. No, but about this Rutuja Raut, he is not responding. Parekh, yes,
I
Parekh.
don't. Yes, Parekh. Sir,
Yes.
I can't see. Oh, yeah, I have. Okay. I don't know, sir. They are It's showing that they are here, but I don't know.
Okay. They are
So I
showing
think
currently.
Abhishek Shinde is facing some network issue because he's on hold. So I think he is having
That's
a
okay.
low bandwidth.
Because see, still, still 12 students have not raised their hands, so might be they are having some problem. But again, yes, Sapna. So we'll start with you only. Sapna,
Yes, sir.
please start your video and tell me exactly what problem you are facing, what you are not understood.
There is network problem, so your voice is not clear.
My voice is not clear. Okay, should I repeat
There
again?
is some network problem from my side.
Okay, okay. But do you get all the concept what I have told? What I have covered right now, are you getting all the concepts or is there any problem? Sapna,
Yes, sir.
you understood everything or some issue is there?
No, sir.
Okay. So you have not raised your hand, that's why I am worried. So if you
No,
got
sir.
everything, raise your hand. Then
Okay, sir.
next is Neeraj Mahajan is there. Please start your video, Neeraj. Neeraj, there may be possibility of just students have started their video or not. They are not there in the meeting. They are just enroll and they go somewhere. Or
Sir,
then they will
Neeraj
respond.
Mahajan is having a network issue, he said.
Okay. Then Parekh, sorry, Parkhe, Shreyash, Shetty Ayush, Vaibhav Holkar. Because up till now, Miss, for the remaining lectures, Miss, I have not taken that cognizant whether really, because now this point is very, very important. So if I am going further and if students are not understood this point, so they may face many problems. That's why I am just considering, just I am taking the feedback whether all the students are is knowing the entire things or not. Now 51, still 7 students are not understood. 52.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes. Please tell your name.
Sir, my name is Deepak Pathak.
Yes. Yes.
Can you open the last slide? I have a doubt in that K-map.
Last slide.
Yes, sir.
This one.
Sir, I can't understand B dash and D dash. It may इसके साथ B dash, C dash और D dash आना चाहिए ना sir?
एक मिनट. See, B dash D dash किसका आंसर है? ये 2 वेरिएबल है.
ये वाले
chord. That answer is for chord. So chord is what? 4 corner cells. This one, this one, this one, and this one. So for that, you have to get the answer from this representation as well as this representation, and one answer you will get from this and this. So you have to check for only fixed variables. So in the upper side,
Okay,
initially
sir, I
0, 0
got
and
it.
so see, means initially try to get the answer. Means I should know first. If chord is there, I am interested in only 2 answers, two fixed variable. जो भी changing variable है, that variable you also reduce. And that is the speciality of gray code. In between successive code, only one bit change is there, and that one bit change is required to reduce your variable. That's why we have used gray code here, not binary code. Are you getting, everybody, why we are going for gray code in KMap?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The representation is in gray code, not in binary. Because what I want a change in variable. Why? Because I am interested to reduce the variable after grouping, and it is possible only when if only one bit change is there. So we have to consider the adjacent cells for that, and in between adjacent cells, so if you see in a minutely, you will find one bit change is there in between successive ports or successive, you can say cell. So that is requirement for reducing your variables. जो भी आपका changing है वो सारे directly आप you have to reduce, and only the fixed variable for all the cells. If you are going for pair, तो दोनों के लिए जो fix है वही आपको रखना है as answer. और पेयर के बाद एक वेरिएबल रिड्यूस होता है, ये आपको पता रहना चाहिए. तो इफ यू आर सॉल्विंग 2 वेरिएबल के में एक वेरिएबल रिड्यूस होने के बाद उसका आंसर 1 रहेगा. ओके, तो आप 3 वेरिएबल पेयर और क्वाड कर रहे हो 3. Hello, sorry for this. I was also on hold for some time. Yes, are you getting this now? Students, are you getting my voice?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now still miss some student have having any silly doubt, you can ask. I will clear that doubt. Yes, students. Hello.
Yes,
Hello.
sir, you're audible. You're audible, sir.
So any doubt, any single doubt, or should I go ahead? Okay. So if you are not responding, that means that doubt is clear. Now see this another example. Just note down this function of 1, that is summation of m 0, 3, 4, 5, 10, 12, 13. So whatever the K-map you have drawn, you should enter this in your note down the example and then enter the value in K-map. अब यहाँ पे लिया है देखो ए बी ऊपर के साइड में लिया है सी डी नीचे के साइड में लिया है so as it is no variable is mentioned here so we are free to use any variables आप पी क्यू आर एस भी ले सकते हो डब्ल्यू एक्स वाई जेड भी ले सकते हो डब्ल्यू एक्स लिया तो आपको डब्ल्यू एक्स ऊपर लेना है वाई जेड नीचे लिखना है और नोट डाउन द सेल नंबर्स एंड देन एंटर दिस वैल्यू 1 एंड सॉल्व द केवल तो ये सॉल्व करके दिया है आप सॉल्व करो खुद का सॉल्व करो हेलो over
Done, sir.
completed
Yes, sir.
Done, sir.
done very good now see here means why we are going for such type of grouping only ये आपका grouping of single cell है उसको आप लिखना है एक सर्कल करना है यहाँ पे और उसका आंसर ये है ये कॉर्ड का आंसर ये है ये पेयर का आंसर ये 3 वेरिएबल हमें क्या करना है कॉर्ड लिया तो 2 वेरिएबल रेड्यूस होंगे ओरिजिनली 4 है तो यहाँ पे 2 मिलेंगे और ग्रुपिंग ऑफ सिंगल सेल के 0 वेरिएबल रेड्यूस होंगे तो चारों आंसर रहेंगे वेरिएबल और पेयर के लिए एक वेरिएबल रेड्यूस होगा तो आंसर 3 ओके अब बाय डिफॉल्ट अगर आप यहाँ पे ये पेयर के जगह आप ये 1 को इसके साथ ग्रुप करते हो ओके तो आपको स्टिल एक 1 रहेगा फिर आप ये लोगे पेयर तो ये आपका ऑप्टिमम ग्रुपिंग नहीं होगा दैट्स व्हाई व्हाइल टेकिंग द ग्रुप यू शुड also see that means if you are taking that again whatever the answer you are getting that answer can be solved by using Boolean algebra तो आपको वो आंसर के बाद ये स्टेप मिलेंगे that's why if your grouping is not correct then you may think that that answer can be solved by using Boolean algebra but here if you are taking this such type of grouping that answer cannot be again solved by using Boolean algebra आप ट्राई करके देखो ये आंसर को बूलियन अलजेब्रा से सॉल्व नहीं होगा दिस इज द फाइनल आंसर एंड दिस इज द स्पेशलिटी ऑफ के मैप सो आफ्टर के मैप सिंप्लीफिकेशन so there is no further you can say reduction in some cases if you are solving the diagonal elements in that case you have to apply the Boolean algebra so that we will see in the code converters topic so that I will tell you later but in most of the cases within 99% cases so K-map simplification cannot be solved by using the Boolean algebra, provided you have taken the optimum grouping, you have solved a problem in a is accurate way or correctly, you can say. Any doubt, students? Are you getting my
No,
point?
sir.
Why
Yes,
I should
sir.
not? Why I should
No,
not
sir,
go
no
for
doubt.
this pair? Because if I am going for this pair, so this one will be again there, and that one cannot be again group. That you have to again take another pair. So unnecessarily you are increasing single pair. So rather than this, you should go for this. This in other way I can say that while taking the grouping, you should take care that by that grouping maximum cells should cover. बट वो ऐसा किसी के साथ भी नहीं करना है, तो अदरवाइज यू मे थिंक दैट ये दो के साथ ये वन को भी करना है ग्रुप, सो दैट इज नॉट आवर रूल. सो विद इन आवर प्रिस्क्राइब्ड रूल्स यू हैव टू ट्राई फॉर द मैक्सिमम सेल कवरेज. तो इसमें 4 मैक्सिमम होते हैं यहाँ पे, तो इसलिए मैंने क्वाड फर्स्ट लिया. देन आई हैव गॉन फॉर अनदर क्वाड इज नॉट पॉसिबल. अगर यहाँ पे एक 1 रहता तो एक क्वाड पॉसिबल था, बट यहाँ पे 1 नहीं है. दैट्स व्हाई आई विल गो फॉर नाउ पेयर. तो इसके बाद ये 1 बचा है सिर्फ, उसके साथ कोई पेयर प्ले नहीं है. यहाँ पे अगर 1 रहता तो पेयर हो सकता था, या यहाँ पे रहता तो हो सकता था, या यहाँ पे रहता तो हो सकता था. बट नाउ दिस वन is not having any adjacent cells, so we should take the grouping of single cell, and its answer is 4 million. Clear? So please raise your hand, those who have understood. And try to go for the optimum grouping. So if you are going for optimum grouping, that will be again very important concept. So if you are not having that concept right now, you please ask, because unless and until you are knowing these rules, then your correct answer for that K-map is not available. So my suggestion is that remember all the K-map rules in a prescribed manner. Try to understood that. Try to solve some problem on that for each and every rule, and then if you are confident with that, so if any example comes in your theory paper or in your practical exam, so you should be in position to solve that. Okay, so this is regarding the SOP form. Now can we take this same problem, this problem as a pos. Now what you should do, function of f, instead of this pi m, summation of m, you should go for capital pi into capital M and solve it. So this problem is solved. You have to solve by now pos form. So instead of this one, you have to go for the grouping of 0 and try to get the answer for that in pos form. And see, Miss, after you have already drawn the K-map, I told that before coming for lecture, you should have your at least 10 K-maps drawn in your notebook, so that will be easy for you to solve the problem in minimum time. Rutuja Raut, you are there? Rutuja Raut? Hello, Rutuja Raut? Ram Patil?
Yes, sir.
Ram Patil, are you not getting the concept? Or this is
Yes,
your
getting,
first
sir. Getting, sir.
You have not raised your hand, that's why I am worried.
No, sir. Lowered hand. I recently lowered that.
Okay. Rutuja Raut? वैभव होळकर,
Sir, the answer is the answer C dash B dash. मतलब I have got the answer. I want to check it.
Okay, please note down your answer in. Okay, that is also not. That is not there. No? So just let me solve that. But I have also not solved that. So you please tell your answer to others so that
Sir.
others. Yes.
Done,
It's
sir.
C dash B dash plus.
Next, see, not C dash B dash. While solving the pause form, you should always keep in mind that you have to take individual term as a summation term. And
Oh, oh.
another thing is that you should now follow the opposite rules. Means complement variable 1, uncomplemented variable 0, and individual term is a summation term. So that change you have to complete. So let me solve. I will tell you the answer. If somebody has solved that in a correct way, they can share their answer. Hello. Soumya,
Yes, sir.
you solved?
So I'm solving. Oh, also, sir, Sapna is saying that she's not having the option of raising her hand.
Okay. Go to the route.
Sir, is it A dash, B dash, C, D?
Just a minute. Now see, your answer is for a quad term you will get answer as a in single bracket B bar plus C bar. First term. For a pair you are getting the answer as in another bracket A plus B plus D bar. And then for a essential prime you will get answer again take a dot sign and another bracket A bar plus B plus C bar plus D. This is your correct
Sir.
answer. Yes.
Sir,
Can
only
you
the
repeat
first
again?
Only
the first term is B bar plus C, not C bar.
V bar plus C.
Yes, sir.
How?
No, sir. B bar plus C bar. It's right, sir.
No, B bar plus C. Correct.
So B bar plus C bar is only.
No, not C bar. B bar plus C.
B bar plus C, sir.
Yes, sir. Correct. Because for a C, the value is 0 and 0 stands for uncomplemented variable in pause form. Correct. Then next is for a pair A plus B plus D bar, because D value is what? 1 there. That's why D bar. And for the last term, for a grouping of 0, single 0, so as the value of A is 1, that's why A bar, B is 0, that's why plus B, C is 1, that's why C bar, and D is 0, that's why D. Any other answer you are getting? Now tell me how many of you understood this problem? Yes, students. Because see, means as we are not there one to one, means I cannot see one to one whether the answer is correct or wrong.
Sir, can you please explain the solution? I don't got.
Yes,
See, means what I said.
actually on a
What I
while
said.
simultaneously solving, because just by vocally we cannot just grasp it.
Yes. See, what you will there, instead of this one, now 0 entry will be there. Are you getting this step? Because for a max term, we have to enter 0. मैक्स टर्म के लिए यहाँ पे क्या करोगे आप? पहले पाई इंटू कैपिटल एम लोगे और सेम आंसर लिखोगे, सेम टर्म्स लिखोगे. तो पाई इंटू एम है तो डायरेक्टली ये जो टर्म्स रहेंगे आपके, दोस टर्म्स आर मैक्स टर्म्स. max terms are for absent terms. That's why you will enter for each max term 0 entry in K-map. ये स्टेप कर लो आप पहले. इसमें आप क्या होगे, ये आप 1 के जगह 0 होंगे सब आप. Are you getting? Now whatever the answer I have solved for your soft term, now the answer you have to find in pos term. So what we have studied in pos term, for a pos term individual term is a summation term, और उसमें आपको क्या लिखना पड़ेगा कि कॉम्प्लीमेंट वेरिएबल है तो उसको 0 कंसीडर करना है, और अनकॉम्प्लीमेंटेड वेरिएबल है तो उसको 1 कंसीडर करना है, 0 कंसीडर करना है. सॉरी, कॉम्प्लीमेंट के लिए 1, अनकॉम्प्लीमेंटेड के लिए 0, और इंडिविजुअल टर्म आपको समेशन लिखना है. तो ये क्वाड के लिए क्या होगा, आंसर आपका 2 वेरिएबल रहेगा फिर से. ओके, तो ये क्वाड के लिए फिक्स वेरिएबल कौन सा है आपका, बी है ऊपर का, बी का वैल्यू 1 1 है यहाँ पे. तो 1 है तो आपको 1 किसके लिए लेते हैं, बार के लिए, बराबर है ना. तो आपका बी बार रहेगा. ओके, और सी यहाँ पे कांस्टेंट है, दैट्स वाई सी का वैल्यू 0 है. तो सी क्या लोगे आप वहाँ पे, हेलो, सी का 0 है, दैट्स वाई यू विल राइट बी बार प्लस सी.
So, but we consider 0, no? So we have to.
See, means while solving that swap and pos term, swap to standard swap, stand to swap, pos to standard pos, we have seen that we should consider the thing as a, whenever you are taking a swap form, that is okay. 0 आपको कॉम्प्लीमेंट के लिए लेना है और 1 आपको अनकॉम्प्लीमेंट के लिए लेना है. बट पॉस फॉर्म के लिए आपको क्या है, जब ऑब्सेंट टर्म्स आप ले रहे हो तो उसका अपोजिट लेना है आपको. अगर 0 है तो कॉम्प्लीमेंट, 1 है तो सॉरी कॉम्प्लीमेंट के लिए 1 और 0 अनकॉम्प्लीमेंट. तो इसका आंसर जब निकालोगे, जैसे आपने यहाँ पे क्या लिया था, b इंटू सी बार लिया, तो पॉस में क्या होगा,
b bar into c,
नॉट इंटू.
Sir, it's 2:15. Sir, it's 12:15 now.
Okay, but are you getting this problem? Because unless and until you get this.
yes sir, yes sir.
Sir, one doubt, sir. But while grouping, we have to group 1 only, na, or 0?
Not 1 रे यार, मैं वही तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ आपको. पॉस के लिए आपको क्या करना है, ये पाई तो m है तो 0 पुट करना है, 1 करना ही नहीं आपको.
हाँ, फिर सर
जो 60 टर्म्स है ना आपके, 60 टर्म्स आपको 0 लिखना है 1 के जगह. और जैसे हमने यहाँ पे टर्म लिया है ना, इंटू लिया है ना दोनों के बीच में, वहाँ पे इंटू नहीं लेना है, समेशन लेना है साइन, बिकॉज इंडिविजुअल टर्म इज अ समेशन टर्म इन पॉस फॉर्म. और जो आपने लिया है बार कहाँ लेना है आपको, जहाँ पे 1 है उसके लिए बार लेना है, 0 है उसके लिए अनकॉम्प्लीमेंटेड वेरिएबल लेना है. दैट्स वाई आंसर रहेगा बी बार प्लस सी. यहाँ पे आंसर रहेगा आपका ए, है ना, ए का वैल्यू 0 है, प्लस बी प्लस डी बार. इसका आंसर क्या रहेगा, ए बार प्लस बी प्लस सी बार प्लस बी.
Yes sir.
How many of you understood this?
Yes sir, understood.
Yes, sir, got it.
Got it?
Got it, sir. Yes, sir.
So now what you should take any 5 example for swap, any 5 example for pos. No need to go for any book. You can form your own problem, draw the K-map and solve it. Okay, so this is a homework for you, and you can just upload that on my mail ID, or right now no need to send that, but I will trust you. You have solved those 10 examples. It's 5 for swap, 5 for pos. सेम एग्जांपल आप कर सकते हो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. जो आपको स्वैप में किया, समेशन ऑफ m से स्वैप होगा आपका और पाई इनटू m से पॉस होगा. तो एक ही प्रॉब्लम आप दोनों टाइप से सॉल्व करके देखो, एंड देन ट्राई टू डिफरेंशिएट स्वैप एंड पॉस फॉर्म. फिर आपको पता चलेगा वहाँ पे जो शॉर्ट टर्म्स है वो पॉस में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं डायरेक्टली, पॉस टू स्वैप डायरेक्टली कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो दैट स्वैप फॉर्म एंड पॉस फॉर्म्स आर एक्जैक्टली अपोजिट टू ईच अदर. So if you are having swap form, you can convert into pos directly. If you are having pos form, you can convert into swap directly. Okay, so I hope means all the points are clear to everybody. So thank you very much for your patience listening. And still, if you are having any doubt in your mind, you can just send me the WhatsApp. So I will try to complete that, or you can again post on your SE group, official group, so we can complete that. But what is the problem is, suppose if you are having any problem, and if you are posting that on your group, so again means the remaining faculty members will also get that message. So it's okay, means that's why I told that you should go for some Google group, so that the related problem you can post on Google group, and I can answer for those problems. Okay, or let us see what we can.
So we had a problem which is not related to the course, but as you know that yesterday FE results came
Just
and
just a minute. I will just stop the recording, and then we can discuss. Those who have completed, they can go, no issue. Because students are having some problem.